Alright guys, it's been a long time that I updated you on the odds from the Hacked app because I was a little busy doing something elsewhere. Okay, now we are back fully by giving you day in and day out tips from the Hacked app concerning correct scores, half time, full time correct scores, 2 odds, 5, 10 and a whooping 100 odds from the Hacked app. So make sure you stay tuned and also subscribe to this channel if you are first time visiting this channel. Turn on the notification bell and also do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now, without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to my phone to show you the odds from the Hacked app that is giving us 2 solid odds, 5 odds, 10 and a whooping 100 plus odds that you can earn something from it for the day. One thing I also want you to know is that the correct score from the Hacked app, they are predictions. They are predictions because you pay before you get access to the correct scores. But I've been able to patch it and giving it out for you guys day in and day out. So if you get the correct scores, that is predictions from the Hacked app, you can try to stake singles before combine. Okay, so I'll give the multi correct scores from the Hacked app. Just do your selections and stake it, and let's see how these odds are going to bless us for today. Now the two odds are, let's see yesterday and also previous predictions. So yesterday 2 odds we won that, very simple, solid. The last 2 days too we won that, very solid. Okay, we won that. So back to back winnings on the 2 odds. So today the test for the 2 odds is FC Porto versus Sporting Lisbon. They tipped over 1.5 goals in the full match, which is giving an odd of 1.35. Okay, with the Paris Saint-Germain versus AS Monaco, they tipped Paris Saint-Germain straight win, but those who be staking on sport, you can make it PSG straight win but 2 up, and the odd is 1.5 odds. With the Bayern Munich versus Werder Bremen, they tipped over 2.5 goals in the full match, which is giving an odd of 1.3 odds. So for this match, for safer side, you can make it over 1.5 goals in the full match, and when you combine them, you get a whopping 2 plus odds, of which you can stake to get something from it. Okay, and let's quickly go to the 10 plus odds. So the 10 plus odds are here. They are tipping FC Porto versus Sporting Lisbon, both teams to score in the full match, which is giving an odd of 1.92. Paris Saint-Germain versus AS Monaco straight win for PSG, which is giving an odd of 1.5 odds. Manchester United, which is the FA Cup, versus Leicester City, they tipped Manchester United straight win. Okay, but for safer side, you can make it double chance for Manchester United. With the Italian Serie A, FC Como versus Juventus, they tipped double chance for Juventus. That is Juventus win or draw, which is giving an odd of 1.32. With Bayern Munich versus Werder Bremen, they tipped over 2.5 goals in the full match, which is giving an odd of 1.3. For safer side, you can make it over 1.5 goals. And with the Samsunspor versus Antalyaspor, which is in the Turkish Super League, they tipped over 1.5 goals only for Samsunspor. That means Samsunspor should score 2 plus goals. But for safer side, you can make it over 1.5 goals in the full match. As simple as that. Okay, so these are the 10 plus odds from the Hacked app. And with the Premium VIP, it is giving the correct scores. Okay, so as I said, the correct scores is their predictions. Okay, not 100% fixed. So per their predictions for the correct scores, they tipped El Gaish versus El Gona 1-0 in favor of El Gaish in the full match. One thing I want you to know is that the odds from the Hacked app, they are predictions, not 100% fixed. So if you want to try it, make sure you try with amount that you can afford to lose, because you know the betting business, sometimes we win, others we lose. Okay, as I always say, it is predictions from the Hacked app, but you try and let's see how these odds are going to bless us for today. As a disclaimer, I disclaim that this is not a financial advice, but I'm going to show you how I make money through staking. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Make sure you do your own research. Do your own research before you stake, and stake what you can afford to lose. And remember, this video is for educational purpose. Here is the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video.